Hello guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video we'll be coding a small game which will be guess the word game, and I'll be using Vue for this project. You can use anything you like. You can use React, Next.js, whatever you like. It's up to you, but I'll be using Vue. So let's start. Here I am in the documentation. You can simply copy this command, go to the folder, open terminal, paste this command, hit run. And now we have to select the name of the project. I'll go with guess the word. I'll be going no with everything because it will be a very small project and I don't need anything complex. So ls cd is the word, and I think npm run dev is the command. Okay, I need Vite, so I'll install Vite. I'll wait till it gets installed. Okay, once it's installed, you can simply run npm run dev. Uh, okay, go to here. You can see your Vue Vite website is running. Now what we have to do is, okay, go back to the folder, open another terminal, ls cd guess the world, open this thing using VS Code. So now we have the code in VS Code. You can go forward and delete few things if you like. I have just realized that I have deleted asset folder, so I'll be creating it here, assets, and I'll be adding a main.css file here. Okay, it will be a blank file. You can go on to components. I don't need these two, so I'll delete them. Icons, I don't need icons. Go on to hello world. You can pretty much remove everything. Remove the h1 tags. Remove the template. I don't need. Okay, I don't need this too. Plus app.js. Okay, this is pretty much okay. You can remove this too. And you can remove this too. So since you have the hello world component, you can use it here. And go into hello world. Here I'll be using h1 tag. So h1, I'll be typing hello world to check if things are running. Hmm, Copy this. I'll run it again. Yep, it's running fine. Okay. So now that we have our Vue project running, we can go forward with creating the game. And my plan is to create a single component game. So I'll be dumping everything into single component. So bear with me. So Vue is similar to any other front-end framework, be it React, Angular, anything. So it follows a component-based system where you have several components and you use them in your main app file. Now here when we look at it, we can see there are three parts to the code. First, we have the script tag where we write our JavaScript code, which generally is the logic of the code. And in this case, will be logic of the game. Here we have the template section where we write the HTML part of the code. So whatever we have to display on the main screen would be defined here. And here is the style tag where you define all your CSS, which will be applicable to this template. So let's move forward and start coding the game. After writing the complete code, I realized that the video I recorded has no audio. My mic was off, so I won't waste time writing the code again. I'll go forward with explaining the code. So let's go on with template code, which is the plain HTML. Here you have an h1 tag having the name of the game, guess the word, and we have an if tag, so and a button. Let's say if the game is over. So if this value is true, it will have a reset button, so you can play again. If not, here we store all the wrong guesses, and then we have a button where you can input where you enter the what do you say letter, and here this button has an on click which pushes the letter you have entered and checks. And we have another section for error message. If there are any error message, it displays here. Now go forward with script. Here we have the initial variables. Here we have the word list where we have defined four letters or four words which we would be guessing on the game. So we have many methods. So firstly, we'll go with start game, which basically initializes all the variables. Second is reveal letters, where we look take all the unique letters and we reveal few letters so that it makes the game interesting. So let's say if there are 10 unique letters, and so three letters would be revealed, and then you have to guess the rest as seven. So it makes it easier. You can increase it by pushing this value. So if I make it four, so four letters, four out of 10 would be revealed. So this is what is about it. And the letters are picked randomly, as I've used a random function here. Now, whenever you guess a letter, so we have two edge cases. That is, if the entered letter is not a letter, I mean the character which you have entered is not a letter, so it will throw an error saying that it's not a valid letter, please try again. Or if you have guessed the letter already and you have entered it again, so it will throw an error saying that you have already guessed the letter. So when you guess the letter and if the letter is right, it goes to the guessed letters list. If not, it goes to the wrong guesses list. And here we check if you have guessed the letter completely or not. So if you have guessed it, we'll display congratulations and we'll so the game is over. And if not, if you make five wrong guesses, it will throw or it will display game over and it will display the word which we were guessing, and again the game is over. And when the game is reset, the start game and the complete flow is started. I have added few CSS to make it look a bit better. So here how's the UI look like. So as you can see, the word is completely developer, so we can pretty much guess it. And right, we have guessed the word. Okay, so this is Vue. This was easy. Okay, it's again Vue. So we need a bigger list. Of course, you can use an API to do that. The word is programming because I have set it so I know. But we'll try the edge case or the failing case. So we'll make five wrong guesses. Okay, K, L, and X and W. Okay, so here it is. The word was programming plugin. So this is all about the game. It's very simple game, a simple project to understand how things work. And uh, if this video gets 15 likes, I can go forward and uh, make this game even more interesting. You can implement a leaderboard, you can have a sign-in system where people sign in, and you can use API, or you can have a bigger word list. If not, I'll even include Open API to generate uh, words for me. You can have different levels. So if this video gets 15 likes, I'll probably implement that and I'll push it to either Vercel or AWS, depending upon that. And I'll make two videos, that is creating the rest of the game and deploying it. So that's about it in this video. I hope you liked it. So if you have any doubts, you can probably DM me on Twitter. If not, um, I'll push this code to GitHub. I'll try and I'll paste the link in the description. If you don't find any link, if you don't find any links in the description, it's probably because I'm not allowed to do that. It's a fairly new channel, so I'm not sure. If not, you can head over to my website. You can type in my name with and you'll find my GitHub and you can find my code. Or if you don't want that hassle, you can probably DM me on Twitter and I'll be happy to help. So that's it from my side. This is all about in this video. We'll meet again in the next video with some random tech topic. So goodbye, take care, subscribe to the channel and share it with your friends. Take care.